At Applus IDIADA, we go the extra mile to make sure you get relevant, accurate, and comprehensive data when performing field operational tests or adaptability tests. IDIADA's advanced FOT service provides support before, during, and after the actual test program to ensure you achieve your targets when validating any vehicle functionality or system, such as ADAS, CAV systems, ISA tests, or charging compatibility. We create a tailored test plan based on your requirements, ensuring impeccable technical execution while considering logistics, legal regulations, and data protection. To optimize testing, IDIADA has developed an AI-based methodology of advanced route planning, leveraging our plus 20 years of FOT experience. This results in shorter testing times and more valuable data. Our FOT service includes both data acquisition and expert evaluation of the functionalities under study, combining objective and subjective assessments. You will have access to daily reports on test requirement fulfillment, keeping you informed about your testing program and vehicle status efficiently and securely. We make sure that you get the most valuable data out of the tests performed, using traditional shipment and data cloud to allow you to receive data from all vehicles, regardless of their locations, in short time and in safe way, ensuring no data is lost and all legal requirements are met. IDIADA Turnkey service also includes data post-processing to analyze all data recorded to assess all the vehicle functionalities under evaluation. In case of system malfunctions, IDIADA specialist could propose solutions and countermeasures to reach a full system validation. You will have direct access to a web-based reporting tool with all data analysis, function performance, KPIs, results, and defects management. This tool also allows us to perform confidential data anonymization, scenario detection, and automatic tagging. IDIADA, your development partner to undertake comprehensive and reliable field operational and adaptability testing programs worldwide.